All right, Amber, thanks for taking some time to talk with us today. About a year ago, a little less, when you first met me, can you tell me what your symptoms were like in terms of your headaches?
I had severe migraines most days of the week, about 25 minimum
Per month?
per month.
Okay. And on a scale of 1 to 10, how bad were they?
I'd say at least a 6.
At least a 6. And would they ever go to a 10 out of 10 or an 8 out of 10?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. And how long would they last when you had them?
I had some days where they'd be 4 or 5 days long.
Okay, so many days, there were very few days a month where you didn't have a pretty bad headache.
Yeah.
So when we first met you, we decided that you had a number of trigger points, but your worst area was the back of the neck. That seemed to really trigger a lot of headaches.
Right.
And so we did some nerve blocks back then, back there. And how did those go?
They were miraculous. I was like a different person. I had no migraines for a couple weeks.
Okay.
And yeah, my husband said I was a different person.
Right, because we did some Botox with those nerve blocks as
Yeah.
well, right? Okay, so based upon that result, we decided to do some decompression of the nerves in the back. And what was your experience like with that operation?
Just a little discomfort, after the surgery, and after about a month, there were lesser migraines, and all in a different area. The ones in the back of my neck were gone, and I only had some around my left eye and left side of my head after that first surgery.
Right. So overall, you were doing really, really well.
Yeah.
The headaches that were the worst before were gone.
Right.
And the remaining ones we determined were coming from your left temple and above your left eye.
And they were less severe too.
Right. But bad enough so that we decided to block them again, which we
Yeah.
did, and with Botox. And again, you got better for a little bit of time.
Right.
Right? So we decided to decompress those, and now you're about a month after that operation. What have things been like the past month?
I've only had a handful of little headaches, maybe Motrin headaches,
Okay.
and they've gone away right away.
Okay.
And no migraines whatsoever.
All right. So we've gone from 25 days a month of migraines to basically in the last month, none. You get a couple minor headaches
Yeah.
that really respond just to Motrin.
Yeah.
Okay. So would you do this again if you had to?
Absolutely.
Okay. Thanks for taking the time to talk to us.
Thank you.
All right. So